everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm here today to do another unboxing video for you guys for a subscription box, and today's unboxing video is going to be for Indulge Me. The Indulge Me box is a new subscription to me. I never heard of it before, and then I found out about them and I thought they sounded really cool. So I got the box right here and I'm going to show you everything that I got, but before I get started, this is a monthly subscription box. It costs about $20 a month. It does ship to both Canada as well as the USA, and in this box you get 4 to 5 lifestyle items. And Indulge Me Box did send me this box to review for free, so thank you so much, Indulge Me Box, for sending me this box, and I am excited to show you guys what came in it because I think there's some really cool stuff in here. So this is the Have a Holly Jolly Christmas Indulge Me Box. So when you open up the box, first of all, it's really cute because they have like this little red bow and this cute tissue paper, which I thought was like a really nice touch. So when I open it up, the first thing that I received is this card here, and it says, "A gift for you for Trend Trunk." So this is a gift card and it's worth up to $250. I've already redeemed mine and mine was for $5, so I get $5 free at trendtrunk.com, which is essentially like a place where you can buy new and used items, so like clothing and earrings and shoes and stuff like that. I have a code here so everyone can go, and if you sign up to this website then you will get a gift card as well, and it's free to sign up, and the gift card is anywhere between $5 and $250, so that's pretty cool, just to kind of, you never know, you could get that $250. I also got a card here which tells you everything that came inside of the box, so if you have any questions about the items, it's all on this card right here. The next thing that I got is this full-size product here. So this is a L'Occitane hand cream, and this is in Pivoni Flora, and it smells like roses. It smells really nice. This is quite a luxurious hand cream, and it does smell very floral. I have used this to test it out, and it feels very nice on the skin. So I love hand cream because especially in the winter my hands get extremely dry right around my knuckles. So I'm excited to have that because it's quite a nice hand cream. So that's the first thing that I got there. The next thing that I received is kind of cool. It's a DIY type project. So I got this bundle here and it comes with some twine and some ribbon and some paper, and then it also comes with, I think, 5 or 6 of these little pouches. So you actually decorate them yourself and then they fold in to create like a little pouch to hold goodies. So if you wanted to fill them with some treats or with a gift card or something like that, it's just a little DIY project. So I think that's really cool because it's something that I can use to put some stuff in Jeff's stocking and things like that, and I can make them look really cute. You can add your own touch and it's nice. It gives you an idea of some way to be creative. So that's the next thing. The next thing I got is a candle, and this is a Yankee Candle in Silver Birch. This to me, oh my, it smells like man. Like it smells like a good smelling man. A little outdoorsy, it's a little musky, but it smells like a men's cologne, and I actually got Jeff to smell. I shoved it in his face. I was like, "Smell this," and he's like, "Ooh," he's like, "I really like that." So this actually might go downstairs in Jeff's man cave to make it smell more manly, or even in his bathroom. So that's a Yankee Candle, and the Yankee candles are relatively expensive. I don't know how much the small ones cost, but. And then the last thing I got is the thing that I'm most excited for. First of all, it's a scarf. I love scarves and I absolutely love what's on this scarf. So this is a beautiful long scarf and it has a lot of different designs on it. There's owls and it's all of these beautiful colors. I'm going to wear this so much, and this scarf is from Bisou and it costs $25. So you're paying $20 for this box. With one item you're getting over your money's worth, and I think this scarf is beautiful and it's so soft and it's so nice. I'm gonna put it on. I'm definitely gonna wear this today. Like, is that not so nice? I'm absolutely in love with this scarf. Like, to me, the box, this scarf would be worth it. So that's all that came in the box. Overall, I think that it's really interesting. A different kind of style box. I like that it's lifestyle and that it's not just like a beauty subscription. The hand cream is beautiful. The scarf is amazing. I think the DIY project is really interesting, and I'm definitely going to be doing these. And the candle's nice. I mean, I kind of wish that it was a bigger candle, but considering how much you're getting other than the candle, I think that it's well over the value of what you're paying. So I think that's awesome. If you guys are interested in checking out Indulge Me, then I'm going to leave all of the information down below for you guys to check out. I think it's really neat, and I'm so happy with this scarf. Like, I can't even. I love it. It's so soft. And I also am obsessed with owls, and it has pink owls on it. So cute. That's what came in the December Indulge Me box. Let me know down below if you subscribe to Who Indulged Me. I'd love to know. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like what you see, please subscribe, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye!